Good afternoon to all viewers as well as my dear friends also. Today I am present in the UP Institute spoken classes. My name is Ajaz sir and you are most welcome from UP Institute spoken classes running by Ajaz sir. You know about me and today I am present here with my all student. All student cannot present in the class, but some student present in the class and who is able to discuss about water, then he will think about, yes sir, I am perfect able to discuss about water. Then he is present in the class for speak about water. So I am requesting to all of you, and while speaking any one word mistake by my student, I hope you will be forgive them, and you don't care about his mistake. You will have to care about his only a good manner, right? So I think about you are a elder and you are educated and you are a knowledgeable student and person. So you don't care about his mistake. All time you will have to think about your upgrading of the knowledge. He will put up his opinion about water, and water is the most important or not. And suppose that water is not important for his life, then what is the water and what is the effect of the water, and what is the advantage of the water, what is the disadvantage of the water, and without water living or non-living things can live in this world or not, and which person can live in this world without water, and which person cannot live in this world. You can watch and you can listen about water. Water is important or not for the life of all creatures. So and I hope you are able to understand about this video, and I hope according to me my student present here to discuss about water and what is his introduction. You can listen by him. Okay, we cannot take the name of all student, and whatever he know about water, then he can discuss about water. So and once again I am requesting to all of you, ताकि आप लोग जानते हैं कि यहाँ पर हमारे कुछ स्टूडेंट उपस्थित हुए हैं आप लोगों को यह बताने के लिए कि पानी क्या होता है, पानी का इफेक्ट क्या है, पानी कितने प्रभावशाली हैं, पानी का एडवांटेज क्या है, उसका डिसएडवांटेज क्या है, उसका इफेक्ट क्या है, एंड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ द वाटर, ये सब के बारे में आप लोग यहाँ पर देखेंगे। और ये छोटे छोटे बच्चे आप लोगों को कुछ न कुछ ज़रूर सिखाएंगे। इन बच्चों को छोटा बच्चा मत समझिएगा। अगर आप लोगों को यह वीडियो पसंद आता है तो आप इस वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों के बीच शेयर करिए और ख़ुद लाइक करिए और उनसे भी लाइक करवाने की कोशिश करिए। अगर यह वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगता है तो आप कम से कम 3 लोगों को शेयर करिए और उनसे भी आप यही निवेदन करिए, आग्रह करिए, इंस्टीट करिए कि आप लोग भी इस वीडियो को 3 लोगों तक शेयर करने की कोशिश करिए। हाँ, याद रहे कि अगर यह वीडियो आपको पसंद आता है, अगर आप हमारे YouTube चैनल पर फर्स्ट टाइम आए हैं, तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ, मुझे उम्मीद ही नहीं बल्कि आपके ऊपर पूरा विश्वास है कि आप लोग इस चैनल, छोटे से चैनल UP इंस्टीट्यूट स्पोकन क्लासेस को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करेंगे। और याद रहे सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद उसके बगल में एक छोटा सा आइकन विल आएगा, आप उस आइकन विल को क्लिक कर दीजिए ताकि आप लोगों को मैं जितना भी वीडियो बनाऊंगा, जो कुछ भी बनाऊंगा, ताकि वो आप लोगों के पास बिल्कुल टाइम पे मिल जाए। तो चलिए वीडियो को हम स्टार्ट करते हैं विद म्यूज़िक।
Hello everyone, good afternoon to the respected teacher as well as my classmate also. Today I am present here to speak about water. My name is Subham Pal. I am just 14-year-old. I am from UP Institute spoken class.
Very special good afternoon my respected teacher as well as my dear friend also. I hope you are very well. Mohammad Samsad, it's my name. I welcome to UP Institute spoken classes running by Ajaz sir, and I am going to mention about water.
Hello everyone, good afternoon to the respected teacher as well as my friends and classmates and all viewers also. Now I am going to discuss about water. Well, Divyansh Viswakarma, it's my name. I am from UP Institute spoken classes.
A very special good afternoon to all of you. Thanks for giving me a great chance to speak about water. First of all, I would like to tell you about my name. My name is Fahad Ahmed. I am from UP Institute spoken classes.
Hi guys, good afternoon to everyone. Well, Aditya Pal, it's my name. I am from UP Institute. I am about to speak about water.
Hello everyone, good afternoon to the respected teacher as well as my dear classmate also. Now I am going to speak about water. My name is Akansha Pal. I am just 13-year-old. I am from UP Institute Spoken Classes.
Hello everyone, I am going to speak about water. What means of water? Water is necessary of my life. Every person want to drink the water, and when every person will not drink water, then cannot live in the world. And I am going to speak about frog. If a frog will drink water, then he can live in the world. And without water, if will not cook the food, then nothing can eat. If will not eat the food, then cannot live in the world.
I am speaking about water, and you already know, friend, speak about my water, then you will have to listen with carefully. And you also know, friend, speak about my water, and first of all I am going to speak about water introduction. You already know, friend, water is very much important for human beings. Without water we cannot live for long time. And I would mind telling you where are use water. If are you bathing by the hand pump, about you expend the water, then you will God, then he will tell you. If you want to grow the good corn, then you will have to give the water in the harvest, and after that your harvest is good. If after that if you don't give the water harvest, then you will harvest destroy is like lancho. And I am going to mention about best point, and that best point name is water. And I am going to mention about water. Suppose that you will ill, then you will go to market for taking the medicine, and on that time he will know what means water and what is power of water. And suppose that the doctor give the some medicine, and on that time you will know, friends, without water you cannot take the medicine.
I'm going to explain about water. Water in all three states in nature. First, solid, liquid and gas. And so I want to tell you about solid: ice, glaciers and many snow. This is called ice of the water, and we should take the name of ice, glaciers and water, etc., etc. We freeze to that things. Now I'm going to explain about liquid. Liquid we already use daily. Suppose that we in our home we have no water, then we cannot drink the water, and we on the time we have to purchase the water.
Yes, sir, and my dear classmates, also today I would like to speak about water. And water is a very most important in our life. Without water we cannot live in earth. And first of all I would like to tell you about water pollution. The water pollution is a contamination of water bodies, and it's like rivers and ocean. And you know about groundwater, and in groundwater have many dust and many insect and bacteria. And you know about what in groundwater is a very bad water, and you will drink the water ground, then you in your body have many insect and many germs, and you just go to doctor and in hospital, then the doctor treatment you, and you are good or bad.
Good afternoon, and I would like to tell you about water. Water is one of the best essential resources on the earth. Without water we can live in this world. Water is one of the without water we can't eat the food, and without water all harvest not grow, and without water we can't live in this world. Water is not necessary only for human beings. Water is important of animals and all creatures, and there are fountains of water in many places, rivers, ponds, seas, etc. And there are three steps of water: solid, liquid, gas. And do you know, friend, about how to make the solid? Take the some water and freeze that water, then that water is change water to water to solid. This is a solid and liquid. Liquid is as like a water and vapor. Do you know, friend, about wasp? Wasp is a vapor. And I would like to tell you about water. Water is a colorless, tasteless, and odorless.
Now I am going to speak about water. When I am going to speak about water. Water is a very important all agriculture, and without water we can't live in this world. Do you know, friend, there is no life without water on earth, and we get water such as like river, groundwater, hand pump, rain, etc. And we use water for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, etc. And without water we can't grow the harvest. Water is useful to grow the harvest and our agriculture life. Have 97% water, have 97% salty water and 3% pure water, and 2.7% icy water, and 71% water covered on that area. And do you know, friend, without water, do you know, friend, without water we take the medicine, and all person buying and selling water.
Once again, I am going to speak about water. Every person look the raining and speak it is very bad season. But why does speak it is very bad season? It is very good season. Without at this time, if you look the culture, and then look will look very good. And at this time is raining, and every farmer is good, and every farmer want to I don't give the water of culture, and God at this time water is looking on the earth.
I once again speak about this water, and first of all I am going to mention about source of water. We get from water in the rain. Rain is a main source for us in rivers, ponds, and lakes and tanks. And I am going to mention about this water in found three types, and first solid, and first liquid, and second solid, and third gas. And first of all I am going to speak about liquid. Liquid is the most important for us, and if we keep water in the freezer and few hours, we look this is convert in solid. And I am going to mention about gas form. If we boil water in the kettle, steam comes out of it. It is vapor, and this is water convert in gas.
If I am talking about water pollution, that is a very good point. I think water pollution is very increasing in this world. 1% water is a fresh water, and all percent water is a salty water. So I think many water pollution increasing by the people. Water pollution occur when the harmful toxic come in water bodies, and animal and all fishes die in rivers, pond, etc. And many groundwater concepted and fishes died to water. When the polluted water fish drink, then she will ill, and when we will hold to the fish and cut it for dinner and suffer, etc., then we will eat, then we will ill. For many diseases come in our body, such as cholera, typhoid, etc. So I think don't waste the water and don't enlarge the water pollution.
Before few time I was speaking and water pollution, but at this time I am speaking about heat water and cold water. And you know, friends, about heat water. The heat water is a very good topic for me and for everyone. First of all, I would like to tell you about heat water, and the heat water is a very good, and many person drink the heat water. And you know, friends, many and some person patient, then the doctor speaks. You will drink the you will drink the pure water and you will drink the heat water, because in your throat have many germs, and you will drink the heat water, then your throat is a very good. And I would like to tell you about cold water. The cold water is a very good topic. If I am talking about this point is a good, and at this time many person drink the cold water, and many person drink the heat water, but I would like to tell you about cold water, and I also drink the cold water.
Water in 70% water have 97% water is salty water in sea, and 2.3% water is in icy, in form of ice in the glaciers. In 0.3% water is pure water, we can drink this water. And I'd like to tell you about in gas, how many gases in water. There are two gases in water, hydrogen and oxygen. In hydrogen have two gases include, and oxygen have one. And I would like to tell you about disadvantage of water, means water pollution. Water pollution is a very bad disadvantage of water. Do you know, friend, water pollution, this is the reason of all person is wasting the water, and this is transpiration of diseases such as cholera, typhoid, malaria, etc.
So friends, you were listening about water and which place is important and which place is not important of the water, and we can say this word with confidence and with proudly, everywhere important of the water. Without water we cannot do any one things, and we cannot speak, and at this time we need to water. And you already know, and you are not able to know about the student, and student is perfect able to understand about need of the water. And everyone and human being, I'm not talking about living things and non-living things, both are depend on the water. So I think about water is the most important for everyone, right? Everyone need of the water. What do you want to think about water?
We will have to save the water. We will have to drink the pure water.
Once again.
We will have to save the water. We will have to drink the pure water.
Speak loudly.
We will have to save the water. We will have to drink the pure water.
Once again.
We will have to save the water. We will have to drink the pure water.
मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोगों को यह वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए। ऐसे ही बने रहिए हमारे चैनल यूपी इंस्टीट्यूट स्पोकन क्लासेस।